The three sounds of a.
A, aw, a,
Used at the beginning and in the middle of the syllable.
Add. Answer. Apple. Fan. Can. Last. Class. Cap. Land.
a,
Used at the end of the syllable in the middle of the word. Used in the middle of the syllable. The vowel says its long sound because of the E.
Baker. Apron. Lady. Maple. Bake. Cane. Made. Tape. Same.
aw.
Most commonly used at the end of the word, after a W, or before an L.
Spa. Father. Call. Hall. Towel. Install. Swap. Watch. Waddle.
The sound of B.
B,
Bat. Bed. Bit. Box. Butt. Block. Barbecue. Rabbit. Brown.
The two sounds of C. Hard. Used before an A, O, U, and before a consonant. Also used at the end of the word.
Catch. Coat. Current. Cross. Cloud. Election. Picnic. Colic. Garlic.
Soft. Before an E, I, or Y.
Rice. Certain. Century. City. Circular. Council. Juicy. Bicycle. Recycle.
The sound of D.
d,
Dad. Daily. Doctor. Deep. Drop. Dinner. Do. Dust. Middle.
The two sounds of E.
e,
Used at the beginning and in the middle of the syllable. End. Egg. Else. Edge. Effort. Pencil. Bed. Best. Neck.
e,
Used at the end of the syllable. Used in the middle of the syllable. The vowel says its long sound because of the E.
He. She. Acne. Relay. Detail. Female. Athlete. Trapeze. Extreme.
The sound of F.
Fan. Fed. Fox. Fit. Frog. Food. Staff. Funny. Flower.
The two sounds of G.
g,
Hard. Used before an A, O, U, and before a consonant. Also used at the end of the word.
Gaze. Go. Gum. Glove. Grape. Pig. Wig. Zigzag. Jug.
j,
soft,
j,
before an E, I, or Y.
Gel. Danger. Cage. Gist. Digit. Engine. Enrudgy. Allergy. Biology.
The sound of H.
Have. Held. Hard. Him. High. Hold. Hot. Hunt. Human.
The four sounds of I.
I, I, E, y. I,
Used in the middle of the syllable and at the end of the syllable.
Wit. Dig. Pick. Twist. Inform. Picnic. Finger. Animal. Difficult.
I,
Used at the end of the syllable. Used in the middle of the syllable. The vowel says its long sound because of the E. Long I before two consonants.
Pilot. Tiger. Shiny. Bike. Line. Drive. Wild. Blind. Climb.
E,
Latin roots. Used at the end of the syllable before another vowel. Used at the end of foreign words.
Radio. Jovial. Caviar. Medium. Unique. Guardian. Humiliate. Macaroni. Broccoli.
y,
Never used to spell.
y.
At the beginning of the word.
Junior. Senior. Civilian. Minion. Zillion. Familiar. Dominion. Ammonia. Scallion.
The sound of J.
j,
Never used to spell.
j.
At the end of the word.
Job. Join. Joy. Just. Jump. Judge. Justice. Jealous. Judgment.
The sound of K. Most commonly used before an E, I, or Y. Used at the end of the word after a consonant or a long vowel.
Kept. Kind. Sky. Plank. Desk. Fork. Beak. Lake. Bike.
The two sounds of L. Light. Used at the beginning of the word. Used at the beginning and in the middle of the syllable before a vowel.
Log. Lion. Lamp. Lovely. Believe. Release. Blue. Glad. Place.
Dark. Used at the end of the word. Used in middle of the syllable before a consonant. Used at the end of the syllable.
Feel. Email. School. Cold. Help. Milk. Almost. Helmet. Welcome.
The sound of M.
Mix. Moon. Maid. Enemy. Animal. Stomach. Firm. Claim. Steam.
The sound of N.
N.
Nice. need, name, ant, only, parent, noon, open, organ.
The three sounds of O.
ah, o, oo. Ah, ah,
Used at the beginning and in the middle of the syllable.
On, object, office, oxygen, lock, mop, doctor, laptop, robot.
o, o,
Used at the end of the syllable. Used in the middle of the syllable. The vowel says its long sound because of the E. O may say O when followed by two consonants.
Ago, open, frozen, cope, alone, remote, bold, post, colt,
oo, oo.
lose, prove, tomb, whom, move, womb, to, do, into.
The sound of P.
Pay, pick, point, apple, apparent, people, prepare, shop, laptop.
The two sounds of Q, U.
Qua, k, qua, qua.
Q always needs U. Therefore, U is not a vowel here.
Equal, quiet, quest, quaint, liquid, equator, banquet, equipment, aquarium.
French roots.
Unique, opaque, physique, technique, grotesque, mosquito, mannequin, conquer, boutique.
The sound of R.
Er, er, er.
Ran, red, rich, rock, run, read, grace, cry, prove.
The two sounds of S.
Z,
Sad, sick, spray, sweet, rest, sense, horse, books, hats.
z, z.
Most common spelling of, but never at the beginning of the word. Used between two vowel sounds. Used at the end of the word after a voiced consonant or a vowel sound.
Visit, present, thousand, jobs, frogs, fans, toys, nose, confuse.
The sound of T.
T, t, t.
Top, town, type, teach, straight, until, truck, state, unit.
The four sounds of U.
A, u, oo, A, a.
Used at the beginning and in the middle of the syllable.
Up, us, under, nut, duck, trump, public, summer, result.
U,
Used at the end of the syllable in the middle of the word. Used in the middle of the syllable. The vowel says its long sound because of the E. Used after any consonant sound that is not made with the front part of the tongue.
Usual. Unicorn. Cubic. Humid. Confusion. Fume. Huge. Mute. Compute.
oo, oo.
Used at the end of the syllable in the middle of the word. Used in the middle of the syllable. Used after consonants that are made with the front part of the tongue.
Truly. Super. Nutrition. Ruler. Solution. Tune. Plume. Crude. Reduce.
Used in the middle of the syllable.
Full. Pull. Bull. Push. Bush. Sugar. Pudding. Cushion. Bullet.
The sound of V.
V, v, v.
Used at the beginning and in the middle of the word. Used at the end of the word before an E because English words do not end in V.
Van. Vet. Voice. Movie. Device. River. Weave. Active. 12.
The sound of W.
W, w, w.
We. Wave. Want. Well. Wide. Weather. Swim. Twice. Awake.
The three sounds of X.
X, z,
Bzz.
x, x.
Used at the end of the base word. Used in the middle of the word before a consonant sound or an unstressed syllable.
Tax. Flax. Apex. Next. Extra. Expand. Toxic. Hexagon. Exercise.
Z, z.
Greek roots. Used at the beginning of the word.
Xylem. Xanthic. Xerox. Xenon. Xiphoid. Xylitol. Xylophone. Xenolith. Xeroderma.
Bzz. Bzz.
Used in the middle of the word before a stressed vowel sound.
Exalt. Exam. Exist. Exalt. Exotic. Exact. Exempt. Executive. Existence.
The four sounds of Y.
Ya, I, E. Ya, ya.
Used at the beginning of the word.
Yard. Year. Yacht. Yoke. Your. Yawn. Youth. Yummy. Yesterday.
I,
Latin and Greek roots, used in the middle of the syllable and at the end of the syllable.
Egypt. Lymph. Symbol. System. Gymnast. Bicycle. Oxygen. Cylinder. Typically.
I.
Most commonly used at the end of a one-syllable word. Also used at the end of the syllable, in the middle of the word. Used in the middle of the syllable.
Dry. Fry. Shy. Cycle. Tyrant. Dynamite. Bite. Style. Enzyme.
E, E.
Used at the end of multi-syllable base words.
Baby. Dusty. Family. Copy. Crazy. Lucky. Happy. Country. Company.
The sound of Z.
Z, Z, Z,
Always used to spell
Z.
at the beginning of the word. Also used in the middle and at the end of the word.
Zero. Zinc. Zone. Lazy. Puzzle. Zigzag. Frizz. Doze. Maze.